Good evening everyone. Curious Wanderer welcomes you back to my next video. I hope all are doing well. As it is Sunday today, so today I'm going to explore Murupnaga Driving Beach. So stay tuned. To get this road, if you're driving from Talasheri towards Kannur, you need to take a left turn just before the first railway crossing when you encounter after crossing the Moidu Bridge. The beach is just 5 kilometers long and curves in a wide area, providing a good view of Kannur on the north. While entering the beach, the entry fee of two-wheelers is rupees 20 and for four-wheeler is rupees 40. Muruplanka Drive-In Beach, one of the longest drive-in beach in Asia, seems to be for driving in the world in BBC article for autos. It is situated in the northern part of Kerala. The best time to visit the beach is during the beach festival that takes place in April. It is one of the important tourist attractions in the district of Kannur in Kerala. This youth also tries many driving stunts in cars like drifting and wheeling in bikes, as this is a paradise for driving along the shore. These rocks provide a habitat for blue mussel, a delicious seafood. Even though Goa has many beautiful beaches, but it doesn't have a drive-in beach. Here are some boats parked where fishermen uses a boat and go for a fishing through the sea in the morning. This beach attracts bird watchers from far off places as hundreds of birds flock here during various seasons. It is possible to walk to the highland during low tide from the nearby Dharmadam beach. It is must to see the destination for Indians as well as foreign tourists. After the facelift of the beach, there has been a huge improvement in the facilities which is available to the beach visitors, including resorts, road, etc. This beach is bordered by black rocks, which is also protected from stronger current of the oceans. The waves with sunset in the background is the best place to see. So guys, it's been long time I'm coming back to this beach after this pandemic situation, and this beach got reopened on the month of November 1st. That's all for the day. Please to like, comment or subscribe on my YouTube channel. Let's wait for the next video. So bye and take care.